Welcome to our presentation, Find Local Health Information and Services Online. This presentation is part of the Brighter Living Fair 2021 and brought to you by Healthwatch Wandsworth and Superhighways. Today the session is presented by Delia Fitzsimmons, Outreach and Engagement Lead at Healthwatch Wandsworth, and Philippa Leary, Digital Tools Advisor and Connected Kingston Lead Trainer from Superhighways. Just a reminder, we're recording this meeting, and for attendees to turn off their camera and mute during presentations, and all questions to be put in the chat box. We will send you a copy of the recording and any useful resources after the event, and please get in touch with us afterwards, and remember to sign up for the second session. Navigating Healthcare Online in Wandsworth, an interactive tour for seniors, is a walkthrough of the NHS website support and resources, a review of how the site is laid out, which takes about 20 minutes, and a live search of the site based on your questions. First of all, the website. The NHS website provides a wealth of information which is freely accessible. It allows you to get more details about health conditions, medicines, as well as advice and support. The website is broken down into 6 sections: Live Well, A to Z of health and medication, mental health, pregnancy, care and support, and then NHS Services. So the A to Z section of the NHS website is a very busy and informative section. It covers both an A to Z of health and an A to Z of medications. As you can see here, the A to Z of health is laid out in the form of an alphabet, and essentially when you're going to look up a symptom, you have to search for its first letter, click on the first letter, and then it will offer you a full list of all the illnesses that begin with the letter D, say for diabetes. Similarly, it's the same identical process when you look through the A to Z of medicines. When you get onto a page, in this case a diabetes page, this page is laid out with a heading of diabetes, the overview of diabetes, symptoms of diabetes, cause of diabetes, and the next steps. And this layout design is the same for all of the pages in the A to Z and the medicines section of the website. So the Live Well section is a very different section. It's very visual. There are lots of videos and interesting articles to read within Live Well. Here is a sample of some of the sections within the Live Well part of the website. There's the 5 steps to mental well-being, which is practical advice to help you feel mentally and emotionally better. There's a healthy weight section, which looks at your BMI and links to the app where you can check your weight to see if you are indeed a healthy weight or not. And then there's also an exercise section, which is full of programs, workouts, tips, and videos how to exercise well. So the section on mental health is very comprehensive. There is information about conditions, feelings, symptoms, behaviors, advice for life situations and events, and also where to get support. And the final section that we're going to cover is the care and support section. The care and support section of the website is very comprehensive. It covers a wide range of topics, including introduction to care and support, a quick guide for people who've got care and support needs, and a guide for their carers. There is a section all around the help you can access from social services and charities. There's a section on money, work, and benefits. There's one on care after a stay in hospital, as well as the care services equipment and care homes. That would include home adaptations, having help at home from a paid carer, and staying safe, and in general housing. And the final section is support and benefits for carers themselves, including carers assessments and what support from the local council there is, and respite care and help for young carers. There is a section of the website featuring pregnancy. This looks at the pregnancy section of the website provides a very comprehensive guide to being pregnant, from finding out you're pregnant to keeping well during the pregnancy and after. The final section of the NHS website that we're going to look at today is the NHS Services. The NHS website has a number of interactive services that you can use. One example is Find Services Near You. This is a great service which allows you to put your postcode into a search box, and you can then find the nearest pharmacy, GP or A&E to where you are. There's also another really excellent service which is based around NHS hospital bookings and changing appointments. You can use the NHS e-referral service to manage your hospital appointments and also to change the hospital that you would like to have your procedure at. Sometimes when you're browsing through the NHS website, you'll come across a page similar to the one on the screen, where the page is asking you to log in with an NHS login. So if you don't have a login for the NHS, you are unable to go any further. Your options at this point are to download the Ask NHS app and sign into the app to review this information. But if you don't have an NHS account, you will need to set up an NHS account and use it to continue logging into the website. The NHS app, Ask NHS, is a really useful app. I use it quite often and would really recommend it. From the app, you can get health information and advice. You can view your medical records securely. You can view your NHS number, which you need quite often to put into the website or complete other forms. You can book and manage appointments at your GP surgery, as long as you're booking an appointment for the following day, and you can order repeat prescriptions. If you don't sign up to logging into the website, you can still do the following if you're online. You can check if you have coronavirus symptoms, you can search conditions and treatments, and you can use NHS 111 online to check if you need urgent help. You can view the NHS website on any device connected to the internet, including your smart TV, a laptop, a tablet, a desktop, a smartphone, and any device that uses either the Windows operating system Apple or Android. And finally, if you get lost in the NHS website, you can always go back to the home page and start again by clicking on the NHS logo at the top.